How to watch local channels on a Samsung Smart TV. Watching local channels on a Samsung Smart TV is straightforward and can be accomplished through several methods, including using a digital antenna, streaming services, or specific network apps. Here's how to do it. Step number 1. Use a digital antenna. Purchase a digital antenna suitable for receiving over-the-air broadcasts. Connect the antenna to the port on your Samsung TV. Use your TV remote to access the source menu and select TV as the source. Go to the settings menu and select broadcasting. Then choose auto program to scan for available local channels that the antenna can receive. Step number 2, subscribe to a streaming service. Consider streaming services that offer local channels such as Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, or AT&T TV. These services often include local channels like NBC, CBS, Fox, and ABC. Download and install the app for the streaming service from the Samsung App Store on your TV. Sign up or log into the streaming service and browse their offerings to ensure they include the local channels you want. Step number 3, install network-specific apps. Many local networks have their own apps available for Samsung Smart TVs. This includes apps like NBC, ABC, Fox Now, and CBS All Access. Visit the Samsung App Store on your TV, search for the network you are interested in, and download their official app. Some apps may offer live streaming of local channels or on-demand content based on your location and provider. Step number 4, use Locast if available. Locast used to provide a non-profit streaming service that broadcasted local channels online, but it is currently inactive following legal issues. Check if it or similar services become available again in your area. Step number 5, consider additional apps for local news. Apps like News On or Haystack News offer access to local news broadcasts from across the country and are available on Samsung Smart TVs. These can be a good supplement for catching local news without needing to access every local channel. Step number 6, check for updates. Regularly check for software updates for your Samsung Smart TV to ensure compatibility and new features for streaming apps and channels.